Hi, I'm James the Light Guy, and today we're taking a look at an LED house light bulb. Today's bulb is from Dollar Tree and is in the base type E27 with an A19 form factor. This is a 60 watt equivalent or 60 watt replacement bulb that only draws 8 watts. It is 800 lumens and is supposed to last almost 23 years. That is based on 3 hours of use a day, 7 days a week, and is estimated to cost less than $1 per year running at that rate. We can see here that it is marketed as having a 3000K color, which is a yellowish white light. Let's pull it out of the box. This is made by Mu Shang, and we can see stamped on it, it says 8 watts, 3000K, 120 volt, 60 hertz, and 120 milliamps. Let's put it in the bulb socket. And turn it on. There is that warm yellow light. Let's grab our meter up here. We can see we are on 123 volt US circuit. We are drawing 101 milliamps, so a bit shy of the 120 rating on the box. Watts, almost exactly 8 watts, so we're perfect there. Inrush current was 280 milliamps, and we were at 9.8 watts max during startup. We are on a 60 hertz signal, and our power factor is 0.65, meaning that on a scale from 0 to 1, 1 being a perfect power factor, this would, drawing 8 watts, would read as 12 watts, my apologies, 10.5 watts on a smart reader based on apparent power as opposed to true power. Still, comparatively, 10.5 watts is significantly less than 60, which is the rating it's replacing. Let's grab our meter, set this up in the ×1 setting, turn off our overhead lights, and about 1 foot away, let's turn on the light and see what we read. Alright, as we did with the other light that was marketed as being a 60 watt replacement and 600 lumen, this one is reading just shy of 700 at the same distance. Again, forward to back, we are centered top to bottom, and we are measuring 1 foot away. Let's line that back up where we were. So the question is this a good bulb? Is it worth $1? Honestly, yes. The bulb didn't get hot, which I didn't assume it would, considering it's only drawing 8 watts. Let's see if we can pull this lens off and see what's inside. Give me just a moment. Having ripped the lens off, let's zoom on down here. You can see we have 11 chips soldered onto this board, all nicely numbered, with a lot of well-made surface mount components, some resistors, capacitors, and switches with a simple microcontroller, all on a small PCB, which is connected up to a metal shell inside the housing for heat sinking. Again, not super necessary considering each of these chips is being driven at less than 1 watt, or about 10 milliamps each. So longevity wise, looks like for the money, this Mushang bulb is worth it. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share with your friends, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and until next time, I'm James the Light Guy.